Hi everyone, my name is Bianca and today we're going to change this cheese into something else. This piece has been lying around the house and honestly, I think I saw something try to eat it the other day. So since it's a shape that can be, or a slice of anything really, I thought about making it into a slice of cake. And you can make this into a slice of pie, cake, cheesecake, whatever you like. I just really like cake. And my favorite cake is a dark chocolate cake with dark chocolate frosting. Delicious. But I don't really want to make a dark chocolate cake in a costume. I want to make it a little bit more colorful and cute. So what I've drawn up, and you know how amazing I am at drawing. Do you see the resemblance? I made a pink frosted cake with some funfetti sprinkles in the actual cake. And right over here, if you couldn't tell by the amazing artist that I am, this is frosting. So I'm going to figure out how to make the frosting on the edge over here and make some frosting on top. So that is what I'm going to be working on today. I am outside where it's a bajillion degrees because it is summer and I really don't want to paint inside of the house, so I figure let's go ahead and do it outside. I'm going to be working on this. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is remove the strings that were here, which I already did, and then this right over here has seen better days. I'm going to just go ahead and fix this up. I have some more masking tape that I can clean it up with. I'm also going to paste that hole in there. I do still have that piece. I used it for a costume, and I'll put the costume here and the name of the artist that I was recreating that painting for. You should definitely check them out on Instagram. So here's that piece that I told you I used for that painting. I'm just gonna put it right back where it belongs. I also have my helper. Hi, Teddy. Hi, Papas. You can see Nebula over there too. And I know that there was a section over here that I didn't like. I didn't close it, or I thought I did and I didn't. I'm gonna close this piece here too. And there's a hole right here. Teddy. There's a hole right here that I didn't close last time. That's the one that I'm gonna close off. Okay. It is so dirty. Look at all that dirt. Ow! Yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and start painting this, and like I said, I'm going to make it kind of white and pink frosting. I think I'm going to see how I will put another piece of cardboard up here to make it look like an actual topping of frosting at the very top, so it's not open. I'll paint this first, and then I'll find another piece of cardboard to put on the top. I have both of these sides painted, and they're only the white section, so I'm going to grab the pink paint and start painting this pretty pink. So let me just paint this side first. That's going to be the big frosting section. Oh, how pretty. I love pink so much. What's your favorite color? Tell me what your favorite color is. I love all of them, but pink, just something about it. Dang, that yellow paint on the bottom just keeps coming up. It's like it never dried or something. It's weird. I could have made a drip cake. Did you see that? A little bit of a drip, 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 Isha. Ugh, see? Oh my god, it's not working. This is gonna be a pain in my butt. Even though I said this would be easy. I want Smooth frosting. I don't want a crumb coat. Oh my god. Did you just see that? Oh, goodness. How am I gonna fix this? Just chunks of, oh my god. Just gonna keep trying. I thought this was gonna be an easy one, and look at this. Some days we have good days, some days we don't. And, oh, this cake is not a piece of cake, let me tell you. This cake is a pain in my butt. It'll look good though. It will look good. It'll look fine. It's like it created like a latex layer. The yellow paint. So weird. Well, I have the backside, which I didn't think was going to be so difficult to do, but there you go. Now I have the rest of the cake. Probably would have been easier to just make a new cake than to try to paint this yellow box. So I know that it is July. Are you planning on what you're going to be for Halloween? Have you thought about any costumes? Because let me tell you, I know a channel who works on costumes all year round just so that you can prepare for Halloween. It would mean the world if you told your friends to check my channel out for their costumes and tag me on Instagram so I can see them. I really do love when you show me your makes. I've gotten quite a few people share their items with me, and they have asked that I not share with everyone, but those that do allow me to share, I do, because I am so proud of every single one of you and your makes. They're absolutely beautiful. But yeah, if you can, share my channel with people that you think might enjoy it. About that time when everyone is okay with dressing up. Here, we're always okay with dressing up. Hi, baby. Hi, Teddy. Hi, Boo Boo. Alright, so we have this piece painted. I am going to let this dry a bit, and then I'm going to go ahead over the white section just a little bit more to touch it up. And then I will probably work on the top section. I've let that dry a bit, and I found some of these colors, crayons, or I don't even know what they are, but kind of like a crayon type of thing. And they always come in a set of art supplies, so I have quite a few of these. But what I'm gonna do is, you can barely see it, but I made a mark here, and I'm going to start marking some sprinkles on here, and I'm just gonna use these. I'm gonna do it all over so we can look like it looks like sprinkles. Okay, and that was it. I just finished it off with some sprinkles, and I think it looks really cute. I think that looks really good. Just using the sprinkles that the colors that I had. Well, I have another one down here. Probably oh, that one's a nice color, so I'm gonna probably do that. But yeah, just making random lines gives you some sprinkles and some color into this funfetti cake that we made. So now that you see it, it is all done here. You can use it like this if you want. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the top section up here, and I might do a bit of decor on this section of the cake. So what I had planned was crumpled up paper, and the way that I want to do it is I want to put the crumpled paper here so it'll look like a frosting, like shells. You know how it's a shell of frosting? So I'll probably be doing that. And it really is just crumpled paper. So I'll probably hot glue that there and make a little bit of a design here. But first I want to get Teddy some water because we're outside and it is really hot and we both need some water. So I'm gonna go do that. I'll get us some water. Good boy. We got some water, huh? And Nebula is right down there. Hey, baby girl. After our water break, I grabbed a piece of cardboard and began cutting it into a triangle that would fit on top of the cake. I tried taping this, but I didn't like how it looked. So I ended up painting it while taped and taking it apart and gluing it the next day. I then moved on to glue the recycled paper that is supposed to look like frosting at the bottom of the cake. Here's the next day, and like I mentioned, I just took apart the triangle piece and decided to glue it on top. If you're like me and you are reusing your cheese costume, remember that the holes are going to be covered by putting this piece on top. So it may make it a little bit difficult to put your straps, but you can still do it. The next thing I want to do is see if I can make like a frosting design up here. And what I'm going to use is some yarn. So I'm thinking that I could probably glue these, and hopefully I can do that, is I can probably glue it like some arches. This is very thin yarn. I have thicker yarn I could probably use, but I'll use this for now. I think this will be fine. But I was thinking of doing some arches to make it look more like a cake, like the really old school cakes. I think that would look pretty cute. The other thing I was thinking about is maybe dressing up like a little clowns. If you are my age, back in the day they would put a plastic clown topper, and I actually still have one. I think that would look really cute. I could try to dress up like that and be the cake topper. So I'm going to go and start working on this, and hopefully it starts looking good. I'll probably just do a time lapse. My mic died in this section here, so let me just tell you what I was talking about. I was probably just saying that it was hot, one, and then two, my friend Nikki Marie sent me this really cute paper cutter thing that cuts up little flowers whenever you use it. So I cut 3 of those and I put them in between the yarn frosting that I made. The next thing I had to do was put my yarn straps. I just wanted to show you how great I am at measuring the string. What is this? Okay, go. Ooh, wow. Ay, necesito esto. I need this to be quite a bit higher. And once again, my mic didn't want to cooperate. But in this section, I was trying to give you more ideas of what you can do to add to this costume. I chose to dress up a little bit more like a clown, but I thought you can also dress up like a candle, make a flame out of tissue paper and put it on a headband. Or if you have a paper towel roll, you can just paint that and put a tissue paper on the top to make that look like a flame. All right, so this is the final look. I just wore my pink dress that you've seen before in my Energizer Bunny costume, and I put my hair in little buns and just painted my face a little different. Just put some blush and pink lipstick, some eyeliner. And this piece I had made for a clown costume that I wore for Copper Top Costume Ball. I always have a hard time saying that. In 2020. So I brought this out and I tried to do the little clown that I told you about. So I really like this piece. I think it turned out really cute. And like I said, you can dress up like this or however you like, because this is your costume. Be creative however you want to be and just have fun with it. I honestly did like it. It was really quick and easy. The only issue that I had was obviously the paint, which it is kind of peeling back here. But other than that, it is looking okay. Oh my God, I think it just snapped off. No, it didn't. Okay, good. I hope you enjoyed this costume and this video. And if you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing. And as always, please share your makes with me on Instagram. I love to see them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.